Hi there, welcome back to the channel. So I hear rosemary may have some benefit on hair health, and I got excited to try it out today. So what you're seeing me doing right now is trying to create some rosemary water, because I hear that has a lot of benefits. A lot, like you have to just Google it yourself. I'm going to leave some links to some scientific evidence that backs rosemary oil, but unfortunately I'm not creating the oil today. I'm just creating the water. I'm leaving it there overnight, and I'll come back and check on it tomorrow morning. So this is the next day anyway, and I want to quickly prep my hair for wash day. So I currently have about 2 months worth of undergrowth, and my hair is becoming very difficult to manage, and as per usual I have to find a way around it. So wash days have not been very easy for me. So one of the ways I have found to make my wash day easier is to first of all always detangle, whether you have a lot of new growth or not. Detangle your hair before you go under the shower, and to help me do that I like to use a bit of conditioner, just so I can get some sleep, and then just comb both my new growth and my already relaxed hair together. And once I do that, I will split my hair in maybe 4 or 5 or 6 sections and just braid it down, so that it's easier for me to wash. I find that if I don't do this, I come out of the shower, I'll be left with a lot of tangles, because my new growth are very thick and it's tight, and the curls will be all matted up, and it will be a disaster, trust me. And this is what my rosemary water is looking like. It already looks like a nice tea. I absolutely love the color. It's beautiful, trust me. And it does have a bit of smell to it. Is this smell or scent? I don't know, but it's not very offensive, so it's something you can manage, I guess, if you're trying this out anyway. So I'm just going to pour the rosemary water through the sieve, because I don't want any of the leaves to get mixed with the water. After this, I'm going to just transfer this into my spray bottle. Super easy. You guys can make sense of what you're watching anyway, so yeah, keep on watching. If you haven't given this video a thumbs up, you should do that right now. That's how I know that you like this type of videos. Let me know if you've tried rosemary water or oil before in the comments. Let me know if you loved it, if it's good for your hair, or if the claims that they say are true. Let me know, okay? So we're back in the bathroom, and I'm going to be using what is left on the cup. I'm just going to pour it on to my hair and scalp. I'll be doing this as the last step of my wash day. I'm just basically using this as a rinse. I won't be rinsing it off anyway. I'll just pour it on my hair and use my fingers to saturate it and be done. So immediately after the rinse, I did squeeze out all the excess water from my hair, and now I'm just using my comb to lightly separate my hair, detangle my hair, because I don't want it to dry and be all matted up again. So yeah, I'm just doing this as gently as possible. Some of the clips will move a bit faster, and that's because they're folded. It doesn't mean that I was using the comb to yank my hair apart. So wet hair is fragile hair, so whenever you're doing anything to your hair when it's wet, please be gentle, okay? At some point I had to put down the comb and use my fingers to unravel, open up any knots or tangles that I may still have left on my hair. I find that using your fingers can be much gentler than using a tool, because combs can just go right and cause breakage, but your fingers, you can use your fingers to open up all the tangles as much as you can and be gentle with it at the same time. So yeah, it's a lot of work. So alright guys, thank you guys so much for watching. So I just really wanted to come on here and give a last review, a last word. So I have indeed heard so much about the rosemary water, and I've tried it today on my hair. I plan on doing this for the whole of the month of August. I don't know what changes I expect, but I do expect to see my hair to be darker, stronger, and some of my bald areas, I want my hair to regrow in those areas. I don't know if 1 month is enough to see visible results, but I'll definitely keep you guys posted on what I'm doing. So yeah, let me know if you'll be trying this out, or if you've tried this before and it has worked for you. Please let me know in the comment section. I'd be more than happy to get your comments, and I'll be there to reply as well. So I don't know if I'll be letting my hair air dry, or maybe I might quickly blow dry it just a little bit with cool air, but I'm just going to let it do its thing right now while I go and go about my day. And thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't given this video a thumbs up, now would be the right time to do that. Quickly smash the like button below this video. There's a red subscribe button under this video. Kindly click on it so that you'll be a part of this family. And I also want to thank you guys for 5k. I'm super grateful and super excited, and I'll see you all in my next one. Thank you.